Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to create blog posts in HubSpot. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Once you're on the page, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your main HubSpot dashboard where you can access all the tools and features available to you. After logging in, direct your attention to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. Look for the option labeled Content and click on it. This section is where HubSpot houses all your content creation tools, including landing pages, website pages, and of course, blog posts. It's the central hub for managing everything related to your content marketing efforts. From the content menu, you'll see several options appear. Click on Blog to access the blogging platform. This will take you to the blog dashboard where you can view all your existing posts, manage drafts, and create new content. It's designed to give you a complete overview of your blogging activity. Now, look towards the top right corner of the screen and you'll find a button that says Create. Go ahead and click on it. This is the starting point for building any new blog post in HubSpot, and it will open up the blog creation interface. Once you click Create, you'll see a drop-down menu appear under Select a Blog. Click on this drop-down to view the available options. If you have multiple blogs set up in your HubSpot account, you'll be able to choose which one you want to publish this post to. Select the appropriate blog from the list that appears. Next, you'll need to choose a language for your blog post. This is particularly useful if you're running a multilingual website or targeting audiences in different regions. After selecting your preferred language, click on the button that says Create a Blog Post. This will open up the blog editor where you'll actually build your content. At this point, you'll be taken into the main editing interface. The first thing you'll want to do is input your blog title at the top of the page. This is the headline that will appear to your readers, so make it clear and engaging. Once you've entered your title, you can start creating your blog content in the editor below. HubSpot's editor gives you plenty of formatting options, so you can add images, videos, headings, and other elements to make your post more engaging and visually appealing. As you're working on your blog, feel free to edit and refine your content as much as you need. Take your time to get everything just right, whether that means adjusting the layout, adding more sections, or tweaking your wording. The editor is flexible and allows you to make changes at any stage. Once you're happy with your blog post, look up to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see a button labeled Publish. Click on it, but don't worry, this won't publish your post immediately. Instead, it will show you a checklist of things you need to complete before your post can go live. This is HubSpot's way of making sure your blog post is fully optimized and ready for your audience. For example, you might see that you need to add a meta description, which helps with search engine optimization by giving search engines a summary of your post. You may also need to assign a blog author so readers know who wrote the content. Additionally, HubSpot might prompt you to upload a featured image, which will appear at the top of your post and in any previews or social media shares. Simply go through each item on the checklist and fill in the required information. Once you've addressed everything, you'll be able to successfully publish your blog post and make it live on your website. And that's it, you've successfully created and published a blog post in HubSpot. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.